So my favorite animal, my favorite animal A to Z, my favorite spirit animal is who? Me. Yeah, baby. I love me. Cause she's a fucking savage. Honest to God, like I dig the neurodivergency on me, about me. Who? Me. I dig it. I dig it. I love it so much. That's all I gotta say. Every animal A to Z, Maria's spirit animal is me. Shorty, who? You, but me. What? That's how I feel. My favorite animal is me. Even my little pigtail. It's me. And it's always been me. I can't I can't front. It's me.